Hi, I'm Maki.
Do you think that the JLPT test is important to you as a Japanese learner? Some of my students said they are going to take the Japanese language proficiency test, but some of them they don't. For that, I concluded some point that after this video, you will have some idea of learning Japanese. The Japanese language proficiency test is a globally recognized measure of Japanese language comprehension. There are 5 distinct levels of the JLPT, ranging from N5 to N1. The N5 level is considered the starting point for the JLPT, covering 800 words, 100 kanji, and 100 grammar points. Passing the N5 certification demonstrates the ability of a person to understand basic Japanese vocabulary and sentences. So why is the JLPT N5 important for Japanese language learners? First, it makes you more marketable for overseas jobs. Having a globally recognized measure of Japanese language proficiency on your resume can make a difference when employers are considering job applicants to interview. Second, passing the N5 can provide you with the ability to converse with locals and get out of trouble. Having the ability to pick up on a keyword or two in a conversation is sometimes all you need to be able to engage in a conversation and be polite and respectful. You might not be fully conversational, but being able to handle basics, such as asking for help, can keep you out of a sticky situation. Third, the JLPT N5 can help with your ability to engage with native Japanese speakers. Reading and listening are the most important skills when comprehending a new language. They are the first skills needed to establish some self-reliance with a new place and a new language. Passing the N5 will establish some self-reliance for those looking to travel to Japan and become submerged in a foreign culture. So, should you take the JLPT N5 exam? Well, it depends on your individual goals. If you are looking to travel to Japan, the N5 would simply be a starting point. If you are looking to pivot your career, you may need the N1 level to go into the marketplace in your chosen field confidently. Regardless of your life situation, your decision to take the JLPT N5 or higher will be a personal decision based on what you want to achieve. I hope you've enjoyed my video discussing the importance of the JLPT N5 and whether or not you should take the exam as a Japanese language learner. We are also excited to announce that we have a special gift from our YouTube audience. We have created a 50-page guide that outlines my strategies and tips for passing the JLPT N5. This guide is perfect for those who are just starting their Japanese language journey and are looking to gain a better understanding of the N5 exam. In the guide, you will find an overview of the N5 exam, tips on how to study for the exam, and strategies for tackling the various sections. It also includes example exercises and practice tests to help you prepare. To get your free copy of my JLPT N5 Strategies and Tips guide, please follow the link in the description below. If you like this video, please thumb up our video, subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. See you next video.